How to enable parental control in Candy Crush Saga? First, Candy Crush Saga does not have built-in parental control, but don't worry. You can set limits using your phone's built-in tools to control purchase, screen time, and access, all without needing to touch the app itself. You have to go your phone settings, tap screen time, and turn on screen time if it's off. Tap use screen time passcode. Go to content in privacy restriction and tap iTunes and App Store purchase. Set in-app purchase to don't allow. You can also limit time spent on Candy Crush Saga, access to age inappropriate app, and game center feature like multiplayer. And that's it. You just set a parental control for Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Question, drop them in the comment. Hit like if this helped you and subscribe for more safety tips. See you in the next one.